Hello dear friends, this is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how you can see the list of all blocked users in Facebook. You can easily find the list of all blocked people and unblock or not unblock them. How to do it? It's very simple. You go to Facebook, now you click here. Menu, at the top click on the button. Settings, go down a little bit and you need the item blocking, open it, and there is a list of people you have blocked. If you want to unblock this person, you click on the button. Unblock and he will no longer be blocked, or you can click on the button. Add to blocked list and add more people here. As you can see, this is a very simple and fast way. Done. Nothing complicated. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.